Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Another public service announcement from Total Value RV. From what I understand, they have something going on here where they build this milk chocolate. Here in Elkhart, again, we build motorhomes, travel trailers, and fifth wheels. Another thing that I've heard is that there has been quite a good turnout out there at this place right there. So something to think about. Let's say, for example, they have 40,000 people. I don't know. Do you want 80,000 feet going through your motorhome, pulling on your drawers, maybe trying out the toilet, trying out the closet doors, doing the dinettes, I don't know, pushing all those different buttons? I'm not sure that I would want that, but I'll tell you what, here's another quick thought as well too. When you're here, let me ask you this. If I were to take this candy bar and pass it around to 40,000 people, would you still buy it at a show price? I don't know. I sure would like my candy bar with not 40,000 fingerprints on it. Now, when you do come here to Total Value RV and get your motorhome without the 80,000 feet that have been through it, what do we offer you? We have 50 amp service with water hookup. So after you purchase your motorhome, come here, stay the night, try it out, see what it's all about. Or if you want to shop, just come on in, hook up your motorhome while you're shopping. Remember, under 100 miles, you don't have to fight the crowds, and you don't have 80,000 feet going through your brand new motorhome. And if you do feel as though you've been harmed by an RV show, again, we've established our hotline, 866-282-4460. We have operators standing by.
Good morning, Total Value RV.
To help you get through these trying times. Again, the hotline, 866-282-4460. And together, we can all get through this pain. Thank you.